A plane vanishes over the ocean. No survivors, no witnesses. Only one thing knows what happened. Somewhere in the wreckage, a bright orange box is waiting to tell the story. It always survives. This is why it exists. And it began with a 9-year-old boy who lost his father. 1934. A tiny airliner disappears over Bass Strait, Australia. Everyone on board is gone. Among the dead, Hubert Warren. His last gift to his son David, a crystal radio set. No one ever learned why that plane crashed. That question would follow David Warren his whole life. 1953. The world's first jet airliner, the Comet, keeps falling out of the sky. The experts meet in a locked room. Every crash, the same problem. The only witnesses are gone. Then Warren remembers a gadget from a trade fair. A recorder small enough to fit anywhere. His idea? A machine that remembers everything in the cockpit, right up to the final second. His bosses said no. One told him to drop it and get on with blowing up fuel tanks. He built it anyway, after hours in secret. By 1957, it worked. Australia rejected it. The pilots called it a spy in the cockpit. Britain saw a revolution. Then, 1960. A plane goes down in Queensland. 29 lives. And once again, no answers. This time, the answer changed the law. Australia became the first country to make flight recorders mandatory. First, it is not black. It is blazing orange, so searchers can spot it in wreckage. It survives a crash 3,400 times the force of gravity, then an hour of raging fire. It survives the crushing dark of the deep ocean, calaveras down, where no diver can go. And it calls for help, a beacon, pinging every second for 30 days until it is found. When investigators open it, the dead finally speak. What failed? What was said? What must change? Every answer becomes a rule. Every rule becomes a fix. Every fix makes your next flight safer. Flying is now the safest way to travel on Earth, largely because every crash teaches everything. David Warren flew for the rest of his life. On every flight, his invention flew with him. His father's silence became everyone's answers. One disaster later, no crash is ever unexplained. Follow for more.